That's a good segue to bring in Oliver Sloup for Blue Line Futures. Oliver, thanks for joining us today and kind of rounding out the day. It was kind of an interesting one. We went around the block a little bit here. Doesn't it feel like it?
Yeah, it certainly does. This morning we were under a lot of pressure in the early morning trade, and that kind of accelerated when the floor opened up. But coming off those lows, which is fairly constructive, but if you zoom things out and look at where we're at and where we've come from, you know this, Scott, that this is a perfect example of a trader's market. And that's what it has been for the last 3 months. And I think it's going to continue to be that. If you look back where we were trading 3 months ago on that December corn contract, basically the exact same level of price action. So
Right.
the perma bulls and the perma bears are permanently bullish, and permanently bearish traders out there have gotten nothing but a headache. Traders, a lot of opportunities on both sides here as of late.
You know what? To your point, I did a little homework over the break, and that December corn contract, Oliver, for the last 4 months, we've been whipsawing around at about a $1.40 range. And you know what the middle of that range is? 570. Guess where we are today? 565, right? So you're exactly right. There's been a lot of opportunities for the trader, maybe not so much for the investor. But yeah, we've been for 4 months whipsawing back and forth between, in that D's contract, only to really end up right where we started. So anything else stick out at you in those grains?
Well, that gap still remains unfilled for that December corn contract, so it's going to be interesting to see if we make another push up there. But again, as you'd mentioned, I think opportunities on both sides. Nothing to get too up or too down about here in this environment until we get a better idea what this crop is going to produce.
You know what? Somebody said it to me earlier today, and we're just kind of running around in this, what we call in-between time, right? Waiting for something new. And it looks like it might be that August report. Who knows? But we're getting new weather reports every 12 hours. That's like a mini USDA report in itself. We'll have to wait for that. So stay right there, Oliver. We're going to take a quick break.